I am Dr. Indu Khosla. I am a practicing pediatrician and a pediatric pulmonologist, and I am practicing since the last 27 years. I head the pediatric department at Cloud9 Malad. As a pediatrician today, we see more and more children with common problems involving the respiratory tract. So we see loads of children with recurrent colds and coughs. And this is very, very distressing to most parents. And we very commonly face this problem. The parent will come and say, my child had a cold and cough, it got better, and he's again got a cold and cough. So why is this happening? Most of these infections are because of viruses. We see loads of viruses, be it the respiratory syncytial virus, the rhinovirus, the metapneumovirus, the influenza virus, and there are loads of viruses which causes colds and coughs. Most of these children today are in daycare centers or in play schools where they infect each other, and that's the reason why they get these common colds and coughs. The message that I want to give the parents is that one should not be really perturbed or upset with children getting recurrent colds and coughs, because these are minor viral illnesses and one can easily treat them symptomatically with maybe paracetamol and some antihistaminics if the child is having discomfort with too much of a runny nose or a cough. It is also important to understand that these infections should not be treated with antibiotics. The only indication for an antibiotic with a child who has recurrent cold and cough is if the infection gets into the ear and the child has ear pain, or sometimes it gets into the chest and it's like a pneumonia and the child has a high fever. Most of these kids will be managed with symptomatic medications, and though it is recurrent, it is irritating, but it is not of any major or any consequence that should cause few parents to worry. Keep the child's nutrition good. If the child is well nourished, the risk of infections comes down. See that the child is immunized for age. So if the child is immunized for age, you will of course avoid serious infections and avoid very crowded places where the child can get a higher risk of getting these infections. So if you follow these basic things, most of your children will be well, and these common colds and coughs will also reduce, and it also reduces with age. So it's the first 2-3 years where children do get these recurrent colds and coughs, but with time they all settle down. So dear parents, please do not worry. And I'm sure with time, most of the children will do extremely well. The only point of time where I would be a little concerned if a child has history of allergies, or if there is a family history of allergies or asthma, there probably you need to be a little more careful. You may require certain tests to find out if your child is having another problem and it's just not the common viral cold and cough.